Hello, my name is Morgan. I am in the St. Louis area. So for my teammates, I am in the Central Time Zone. I just thought that would be a good add-in here. But anyway, my background in research is I did take a research class in my undergrad, and then there was different parts of our curriculum where research was implemented. But anyway, in general, I think research is pretty, I wouldn't necessarily call it fun, but it is satisfying because I do like, even though it can be dry, looking up the information. I find the end result is satisfying for me because then I have that information and I can implement that information. But yeah, for this term, I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited about working in teams because my previous research class, it was a solo project and I struggled tremendously. So I'm excited to have that team atmosphere and really bounce off ideas from one another. And if I don't grasp something, I can collaboratively ask my teammates. So I'm pretty excited about working as a team. But overall, I'm excited to be here. Excited to get to know my teammates and my other classmates in this course. So everyone, good luck in this course.